short, a boundary there is short. Bang! And gets it through. Finch gives up his first. Oh, that's chip high, is it? Getting back at mid-on. Field settling underneath it. Really well judged catch. Off he goes through. Oh, yeah, it's caught by Bretley.
Crutch. This is happy birthday. Whooshka.
How good did that sound? It's the follow-up. He goes straight again. Has he got enough? Yes, he has. Andrew Simon said, the longer he bats, the smaller this ground gets. Catch, it's a call and it's taken. Khalil takes the catch. Good use of the feet from Lynn. Catch it, it's the call and it's taken. What a start. Kuldeep Yadav. Oh, that is gone. That is an upper decker. That's bigger than Lynn's.
This will be a target over for Australia, hitting into the short boundary. Yes, Drew. What a call.
That is beautifully taken.
Well, they can't catch him on the field, but they can in the crowd.
The answer here from Pandya. Yep. He's gone again. It's a hat-trick for Maxwell. 6-6-6. Oh, that's heaved to the long boundary. It's the longest on the ground. Clears it easily.
Oh, not there, Sonny.
That's up the top too, but spilt down into the lower deck.
Maxwell's asking the question, was it above? Waist tight.
Corporate boxes. Square leg. One man in the circle on the leg. Oh, well bowled. Dermott should get back for two. Australia finish 4 for 158 off 17 overs. We believe that's going to be adjusted up in and around 174. Shikhar Dhawan and Rohit Sharma. Oh, that's beautiful straight.
A little bit of shape. Oh, that's just absolutely gorgeous.
More spray, and that's short. No man out there. It's a fine leg. Now, on a roll, the Indians. All right, mate, thank you. Here's a chance. The captain backing back at mid-on. Oh, he doubles it, but he reels it in. There's the first breakthrough through the Aussies. Oh, picked up man out there, Stanlake. No, it's too good, it's too big. Oh, he's confident about this one too.
Even though that his foot, the arc is behind, something has to be grounded.
Been given.
Oh, crunch.
It's too big.
That ball's carried a good 85, 90 metres. It's a long way out there. That was always going over the fielder's head.
Two chances for Darwin. The uppercut. Has he got enough? No, he hasn't.
Ball and third man back, three back on the leg side. Dhawan, pretty good shot in the end, but just the distance it had to travel, didn't quite have the legs.
As well. Oh, and that's where it's headed, but it's heading over.
Massive.
A long way over. T20 cricket at its best. Oh, is it gone? Is it far enough? Oh! The magician man couldn't pull it off. I think it'll be 6. Oh, it's chipped it straight up, and then there at point takes it, Behrendorff. His second catch. 17 off 7. To the leg side, into the gap, traceable it. Oh, the captain up out of the seat. The summer we are in for. 11 off 4. White's hit hard, straight down the ground. Maxwell comes in. Oh, brilliant. The magic man again. He celebrates. Advantage Australia.
Well done, Glenn Maxwell. Timed his last little lunge at the ball to perfection.
It's off slice. It's Maxwell again, is it? Settles. No, it's Behrendorff.
Well, that could have gone anywhere, and Dinesh Karthik will be absolutely filthy with that.
First ball, he'll help himself to a boundary, but it's all in vain. Stoinis gets it done for the Australians.
This is massive for the Australian team. Throughout the whole summer, this sets the tone.